Today I am reviewing the Sonos Era 100 SL speaker. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The standout feature of the Era 100 SL is its microphone-free design. In an era where almost every smart device is constantly listening, many users feel a sense of discomfort putting connected microphones in private spaces like bedrooms, home offices, or nurseries. Sonos addressed this consumer demand directly by removing the voice control microphones entirely from this SL model. This provides absolute privacy peace of mind without stripping away any of the advanced wireless streaming capabilities or premium acoustic components that make the standard model so highly rated. Acoustically, the performance of this compact speaker is nothing short of a revelation for its size. Sonos completely redesigned the internal architecture compared to its older compact speakers. It features dual-angled tweeters that are engineered to direct high frequencies left and right, creating a genuine sense of stereo separation from a single, compact housing. This is paired with a significantly larger, more powerful midwoofer that handles the mid-range and low frequencies with absolute authority. When you play a track with a complex arrangement, the instrument separation is incredibly distinct, and the bass response is surprisingly deep, rich, and authoritative without ever sounding muddy or bloated. Setting up the speaker takes only a couple of minutes. You simply plug the power cable into the wall, open up the intuitive Sonos mobile application, and the system automatically detects the new hardware. The app walks you through a quick connection process over your home wireless network. Once connected, you gain access to an absolute massive ecosystem of streaming services, internet radio stations, and high-resolution audio platforms. For added versatility, Sonos has also included built-in Bluetooth connectivity, allowing guests to quickly pair their phones and stream music directly without needing access to your main home wireless network. Furthermore, it supports line-in connectivity through an adapter, meaning you can even hook up a physical vinyl turntable or an external media player directly to the speaker. One of the most powerful aspects of the software integration is Trueplay tuning. This technology utilizes your mobile device to measure how sound reflects off the walls, furniture, and unique shapes of your specific room. It then automatically adjusts the speaker's internal equalizer settings to optimize the audio output for your exact environment. Whether you place the speaker on an open kitchen counter, tucked away deep inside a crowded bookshelf, or on a dedicated stand in a wide-open living room, Trueplay guarantees that the audio remains perfectly balanced, crisp, and clean. The physical design of the speaker is sleek, modern, and incredibly understated. The smooth white wrap-around grille and compact cylindrical body allow it to blend seamlessly into any interior design style. It takes up very little physical real estate, making it incredibly easy to place on a nightstand and table or desk. In conclusion, the Sonos Era 100 SL is a flawless execution of modern home audio design. It provides a highly accessible path into the premium Sonos ecosystem, delivers an exceptionally rich and balanced stereo soundstage, and guarantees complete privacy with its microphone-free design. Whether you use it as a standalone speaker for your office or pair it with another unit to create a stereo setup or rear surrounds for your home theater, this speaker is worth every single penny.